Hello all. So today I'm going to discuss how to restore a database in SQL Server. So once you created a VM and install SQL Server, so you need a database to work on it. So for that, how to restore the database? For this, I'm going to use Adventure Sample Database. So I have downloaded two databases, one for 17 and one for 90. um, I'm going to I'm going to restore one database. So I have already downloaded and copied the database in my VM. So I have 2017 as well as 2019. Let me put a screen. I have a SQL Server 2019 version. Okay, so let me restore the database. So right click on database, restore database, device. So from which location I have downloaded my database in C drive. In C drive. So let me do with 2017. Okay, backup. So it is validated. Let's go with restoration. So restoration completed successfully. Let's check here. Yeah, we have a database and it's restored successfully. Thank you all.